UK state pension changes 2025. If you're age 50 or over, three numbers matter right now. £230.25, 67 and 35. They decide what you'll get, when you'll get it, and how to make sure that you don't miss out. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you the changes that landed in April 2025's State Pension Age Review that's now underway, the winter fuel rules for this winter, and the tax trap catching millions. And I'll give you a 1-minute action plan so you know exactly what to do next. From the 6th of April, the full new state pension rose to £230.25 a week. That's just under £12,000 a year. If you're on the older basic pension, your full rate is now £176.45 a week. You don't need to apply. The Department of Work and Pensions does this automatically. Right now, the state pension age is 66. It's scheduled to rise to 67 between 2026 and 2028, and to 68 between 2044 and 2046. But here's the update. In August 2025, the government opened its third state pension age review. It's looking at affordability, life expectancy, and whether the move to 68 should be brought forward. Nothing's been decided yet, but it's under live consultation until October. For this winter, everyone of state pension age will again get the winter fuel payment. That's usually £200 or £300 if you're over 80. But here's a change. If your annual income is over $35,000, HMRC will recover that payment through the tax system. Payments are made in November and December, and the qualifying week is the 15th to the 21st of September 2025. Here's the sting in the tail. The personal allowance is still frozen at £12,570 a year. So the higher state pension means many more people are tipping into tax as soon as they add a small private pension or savings income. In fact, around 8.7 million people over state pension age are expected to pay income tax this year. To receive the full new state pension, you usually need 35 years of national insurance contributions. You need at least 10 years for any entitlement. The window to backfill older national insurance years closed in April 2025. Now the standard 6-year rule applies. And don't forget credits. Child benefit, caring responsibilities, and even grandparents looking after children can all add qualifying years. If you're on a lower income, check eligibility for pension credit. It can add thousands to your annual income and unlock extra support like TV licenses and heating discounts. So what should you do right now? First, check your forecast at government.uk/check state pension. See what you're on track for. Second, map your allowances. Know how the £11,973 pension interacts with your personal allowance. Third, protect your credits. Make sure caring years count towards your record. And finally, scenario plan. What I mean by that is work out what retiring at 67 looks like and what 68 would mean. That way you'll be financially prepared, whatever the review decides. The bottom line is this: the state pension is stronger than it was last year, but the system is tightening around taxation and eligibility. So check it, plan it, and take action now, before these changes catch you by surprise.